breaking news in business and financial market. Let's start. PM Narendra Modi on Sunday asked citizens to wear masks amid rising COVID-19 cases in other nations. He made the remarks on his last Mann Ki Baat episode of 2022. We are seeing that COVID-19 cases are rising in many countries. We need to remain careful and wash our hands, he said. We will be safe if we are vigilant, he added. Moving on, about 40% of India's mobile exports so far in 2022-23 are Apple's iPhones. Former CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant, who is also G20 Sherpa, said in a tweet. He added that India crossed Rs 50,000 crore export mark during April to November 2022, up 110% as compared to the same period last year due to the government's production-linked incentive PLI scheme. Moving on, McDonald's has opened a mostly non-human-run restaurant in Texas, US. The facility allows ordering food without using a mobile app or a kiosk. Customers will get their orders on their conveyor belt without human contact. The restaurant is designed to be a grab-and-go facility with no seats and table arrangements to dine inside the restaurant. Moving on, Wipro on Friday said that it has bought a minority stake of less than 20% on a fully diluted basis in US-based computer vision startup Kipsy Incorporation for $1.5 million. In an exchange filing, Wipro said this is a minority strategic investment and the company wanted a business partnership in the domain of computer vision applications. Moving on, the Income Tax Department on Saturday reiterated its warning that those PANs which are not linked with Aadhaar by the end of March next year will be rendered inoperable. It stated, as per Income Tax Act 1961, it is mandatory for all PAN holders who do not fall under the exempt category to link their PAN with Aadhaar before 31st March 2023. Moving on, Twitter CEO Elon Musk tweeted on Sunday, Twitter is not secure yet, just not in the fast lane to bankruptcy. Still much work to do. The billionaire who acquired the social media platform for $44 billion in October added. His statement comes after he told employees in November that there is a good chance Twitter will not survive the upcoming economic downturn. Moving on, Tesla paused production at its Shanghai plant on Saturday, with the suspension expected to last for a week, Reuters reported, citing an internal notice. The company did not give a reason for the decision. The suspension comes amid a rising wave of COVID-19 infections in China, with workers at Tesla and its suppliers reportedly also falling sick. Moving on, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that India is recognized as the pharmacy of the world as the country produces global standard medicine at the affordable cost. Today, India exports drugs and pharmaceutical products worth Rs 24.6 billion, Sitharaman added. She added that the India supplies nearly 50% and 40% demand for generic medicines of Africa and USA respectively. Moving on, Adani Logistics, a wholly owned subsidiary of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, has entered into a joint venture agreement with DA Group to explore opportunities in the warehousing business. The joint venture will develop and operate logistics and warehousing parks in Ahmedabad and Kolkata. Under the agreement, the companies will have a 50% stake each in the venture. Moving on, Indian Railways has issued the letter of award LOA for manufacturing and maintenance of about 1200 high horsepower electric locomotives to Siemens. The locomotives will be manufactured over a period of 11 years, while the maintenance period will be 35 years. The estimated value of the contract is about 26,000 crore rupees, including taxes and price variations, the government said. Moving on, an expert committee has been constituted by the Department of Telecommunications to recommend measures to promote the export of domestically manufactured equipment, the Ministry of Communications said on Friday. The ministry added that a portal has been launched which facilitates evaluation of telecommunication equipments as trusted products and intimation of the same to licenses. Moving on the National Consumer Day, Minister of Consumer Affairs Piyush Goyal launched the Right to Repair portal to end the consumer's dependency on original manufacturers for repair and service. Products like cars, handsets, home appliances and electronics will be featured on the portal. The companies will submit product details, service timelines and service center information on the portal. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.